Welcome everyone! We're going to take a look at 20 brands of designer jeans that resell for over $100 on eBay. Tags for each brand are included so you don't miss out on these finds. Number 1. Men's Subi. Current sold $131. MSRP $195 to $280. Number 2. Women's Agolde. Current sold $115. MSRP $148 to $238. Number 3. Men's APC. Current sold $299. MSRP $195 US. Number 4. Women's Magnolia Pearl. Current sold $225. MSRP $250 to $350. Sold out. Number 5. Men's Balmain. Current sold $175. MSRP $1,950. Number 6. Women's Mother. Current sold $109. MSRP $250. Number 7. Men's D squared 2. Current sold $139. MSRP $1,185. Number 8. Women's AYR All Year Round. Current sold $160. MSRP $225. Number 9. Men's Amiri. Current sold $210. MSRP $1,090 to $2,190. Number 10. Women's R13. Current sold $199. MSRP $350 to $595. Number 11. Men's Kickwear Vintage. Current sold $129. Current MSRP $43 to $49. Number 12. Women's Nili Lotan. Current sold $145. MSRP $350 to $550. Number 13. Men's Pure Blue Japan. Current sold $150. MSRP $295 to $815. Number 14. Women's Redone. Current sold $159. MSRP $250 to $350. Number 15. Men's Ironheart. Current sold $185. MSRP $315 to $475. Number 16. Women's Veronica Beard. Current sold $124. MSRP $198 to $378. Number 17. Men's Sugarcane. Current sold $119. MSRP $121 to $562 US. Number 18. Women's Brunello Cucinelli. Current sold $199. MSRP $850 to $1,595. Number 19, men's PRPS. Current sold $135. MSRP $850 to $1,595. Number 20, men's Robin's jean. Current sold $150. MSRP $275 to $1,690. Our goal is to help resellers find the best items. Please leave a comment to let us know what you think and which topics you would like to see in the future. Thank you for watching.